Right, so we're going to do the last tank, of the braking process of the ACME Cyclone on-road RC car. So I'm just going to fill the tank, and it's had 3 tanks of idle put through it, and the 4th one I'm just going to start driving in slowly. So, prime the engine. That's cool. And the igniter. So this is the first driving tank I've done of this car. So it's going to do a bit of slow driving. And obviously it's very, very rich. So it's got some real power to it, and running very, very rich to keep the engine cool. So remember, this is not like the second tank, this is actually like the 3rd tank, the 4th tank that I've put through this engine. And it's got some real power, man. So it's going to continue like this for the whole of tank 4. And because it's an on-road car, the braking can be slightly more relaxed, because on the next tank we can start driving but not worry too much, because obviously this hadn't got to be put through the off-road bashing that an off-road vehicle has to. Alright, so we've put it through 4 tanks, and its engine temperature is very, very good. So I think now what we can do is actually go ahead and put the body shell on and have a bit of fun with it. Enjoy, more videos are coming soon. Look out for the ACME Cyclone Maiden Drive at www.youtube.com/J312. Bye bye.